Welcome to Teddy Bear's Picnic, a beautiful music box by Armella Dana with a charming little mini teddy bear drinking his little cup of tea. He has a little basket of goodies, a little jug, some fruit made out of some kind of Sculpey material, ants marching up the box to try and get some of the food. And as you can see, it's a music box that's beautiful. It has painted little flowers, and it plays this adorable little song called Teddy Bear's Picnic. Armella's little star in her ear is her signature, and it comes with a tag, original tag. Here's the rear, where you can see the little, looks like a loaf of bread in there, and some other goodies. Just an adorable little piece. And here's Teddy having his little snack. I hope you like him, and he is available.